Jai Hind friends, today I have brought 20 random questions for you. These questions are useful for the UPSC prelim practice, right? So let's start today's quiz. First question: the IUCN lists the dugong as a species specially vulnerable to extinctions because of first, long lifespan of 70 years or more and slow rate of reproduction; second, hunting; third, habitat degradation; fourth, fishing related fatalities. So which of the above is are correct? Option A 1, 2, 3 and 4, B 1 only, C 1, 2 and 3, D 2, 3 and 4. So comment your answer. Next question is second question. With reference to zombie fire, consider the following statement. First, it is a peat fire which persists from year to year inside the Arctic Circle. Second, it occurs only in the region with tundra vegetation. So which of the above is are correct? Option A 1 only, B 2 only, C both 1 and 2, D neither 1 nor 2. So comment your answer. Next question. Which of the following animal have a diet mainly considering of bamboo? Option A hares and rabbits, B sloth bears, C red pandas, D golden langurs. So comment your answer. Next question. With reference to Index of Industrial Production, that is IIP, consider the following statement. First, it is compiled and published quarterly by the National Statistical Office, that is NSO. Second, it is a composite indicator of three broad sectors, namely mining, manufacturing and electricity. Third, base year for IIP calculation is 2014-2015. So select the correct answer using code given below. Option A 1 and 2 only, option B 2 only, option C 2, 3 only, option D 1, 2 and 3. So comment your answer. Next question. Maputland Pondaland Albany is a biodiversity hotspot found in Asia Pacific, South America, Europe and Central Asia, Africa. So there are ABCD 4 options. You have to choose the correct option where this biodiversity hotspot found. So comment your answer. Next question is, with reference to National Crime Record Bureau, that is NCRB, consider the following statement. It was set up after the aftermath of the terrorist attack on Mumbai in 2008. Second, the Crime in India report is released by the NCRB annually. So which of above is are correct? Option A 1 only, B 2 only, C both 1 and 2 and D neither 1 nor 2. So comment your answer. Next question. Who of the following nationalists spoke of self-government for India as the fulfillment of ancient life of India under modern condition and the final fulfillment of the Vedantic ideal in politics? Option A is Raja Ram Mohan Rai, option B G.K. Gokhale, option C Arbindo Ghosh and option D Mistress Annie Besant. So comment your answer is here. Next question. Consider the following statement. That is, first, Article 41 of the Constitution mention the welfare of old age person. Second, Vayoshrestha Sanman is national award given to the eminent senior citizens and institutions working for the welfare of senior citizens. So choose the correct statement using the code given below. Option A 1 only, option B 2 only, option C both 1 and 2 and D neither 1 nor 2. So comment your answer. One of the very important question is here. So next question is, when did Gandhiji first coin the term Harijan for the so-called untouchables in India? Option A in 1916, option B in 1922, option C in 1932 and option D in 1942. So comment your answer. Next question. With reference to the Ambedkar Social Innovation and Incubation Mission, that is ASIIM, consider the following statement. First statement, it is launched under the Venture Capital Fund for the Scheduled Caste. Second, it aimed to promote the entrepreneurship among the SC's youth with special preferences to Divyangas. So which of the above is are correct? Option A 1 only, B 2 only, C both 1 and 2 and D of course neither 1 nor 2. comment your answer here. Next question. Women in India were enfranchised on the same terms as a men for the first time by Montfort reforms as a result of option A, agitation launched by the All India Women's Conference; B, Indian National Congress persistent demand; C, Muddiman Committee's report; and D, social religion reforms efforts toward the emancipation. So comment your answer. Next question. Ban Bhatta lived in the court of, for option A, Pulkesin II; option B, Harshavardhana; option C, Yashovarman; option D, Samudragupta. So comment your answer. Next question. Jains produced their first icon in the form of Sarvatobhadrika image, 4 standing jinas back to back, and Ayakpatas or votive tablets at Pitalkhara. Option E is Pitalkhara, B Takshila, C Mathura, D Nasik. So comment your answer here. Next question. The division of Mauryan society into 7 classes. The division of Mauryan society into 7 classes was particularly mentioned in option A, Kautilya's Arthashastra; option B, the Indica of Megasthenes; C, the Puranas; and D, Ashokan edicts. So comment your answer here. Next question. The Harappan people disposed their dead through option A, cremation; option B, burial; option C, leaving the body out in the open; option D, throwing the body in river. So comment your answer is here. One of the very important question is here. Next question. The Iron Age burials in the South India are characterized by ochre colored pottery; option A; option B, black and red pottery; option C, painted grey ware; and option D, none of the above. So comment your answer here. Next question. Consider the following statement. Aura is the luminous phenomena observed in the atmosphere in the high latitude region. Second statement. The aura are produced by the entry of the charged particle from the sun into the earth's magnetic field. And statement 3 is this phenomena is most frequent during the intense period of the sunspot cycle. So choose correct answer using the code given below. Option A, 1 and 3 only; B, 2 only; C, 2 and 3 only; and D, 1, 2 and 3. So comment your answer is here. So you can take pause and read again this question and comment answer, no problem at all. So next question is here. Why is one likely to see a larger number of lunar eclipses from a given place on the earth than the solar eclipses? So option E is here. The number of lunar eclipses in a year is larger than the solar eclipses. Option B, all eclipses of moons are visible throughout the hemisphere, while all solar eclipses are not. Option C, lunar eclipses are more publicized than solar eclipses. And D is lunar eclipses are always complete while the solar eclipses are usually partial. So comment your answer, read properly questions and comment your answer. You can pause the video also. So which of the following features are formed by the action of waves? This is the question number 19. Which of the following features are formed by the action of waves? Option A, beaches; stalactites; barrier bars; circuits. Second, option B, barrier bars, cliffs, stacks, circuits. Option C, beaches, barcons, stacks, cliffs. Option D, beaches, barrier bars, stacks, cliffs. So comment your answer is here. Next question. This is also a very important question. Today's last question is here. A bacterium divides every minute and takes an hour to fill a cup. A bacterium divides every minute and takes an hour to fill a cup. How much time will it take to fill half the cup? Option A, 15 minutes; option B, 30 minutes; option C, 59 minutes; option D, 60 minutes. So comment your answer. So in this way we have completed today's 20 question is here. I hope you all have submitted the responses of all questions. I wish you very all the best forthcoming prelims examination which are going to happen on this Sunday. So thanks for watching this video. See you in the next day.